I'm taking her up.
Hey guys, it's Miriam.
Woof, woof.
Who's that?
Happy King.
With lots of toys. Check out this fun new toy we're going to show you.
It's a crane.
It's a giant crane.
It includes a bucket and a little scooper. There's also a boy. He looks like he's having a lot of fun. It's 100 centimeters and 40 inches.
This is a tall one. You've got a remote control that's attached so you can actually operate it.
And it's a crane.
Yeah.
For ages 3 and up. This is really big. So here, let's take a look at the back of the box. Look, there's a little hippo there in the corner. Look in the corner, there's a red hippo.
Yeah, this is by Dickie Toys. Dickie Toys Construction.
So let's open it up. I can't wait to play with it with you guys. Oh, it looks so cool.
This is almost like a Christmas tree stand, but it's a crane stand. Everything slides in. This is what you get so far.
This reminds me of the Superstation. Right?
Yeah, pretty tall. The basket.
Let's attach this piece.
So here's the crane. We have a few more parts to attach.
Oh, this is a brand new crane.
The elevator is one way to get to the top to control the crane. There's another way. Can you guess what it is?
I can.
What?
Pterodactyl.
Yeah. We have Cyclone. He can drop us off right in there.
He's in.
What do we have in there?
This, you can fit this in here. See?
Oh, what's that?
It's on another attachment for the crane. Let's take the load up. There. This button makes the winch move up and down. This button just turns the crane. This attachment.
So you can change the attachments too, right?
Yep. Bring it up! Yes, sir. I'm taking her up. Aye, sir. Hoist the sails! Yep. You need to hoist the sails. It's lifting up. Look how strong it is.
It's all, it rotates. And then back.
So we have all our materials, but we need to build. It's like our crane, but it's not our crane. It's a smaller crane. Drop it into me. Okay. I'm gonna drop it into him. Let's push the rock. I'm gonna make a tiny little hut. This is a camping hut. We're gonna put the trees up here.
So awesome, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Also, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave your comment down below. And see you guys next time. Bye.